Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a typing test, basically 10 fast fingers. I'll be using this keyboard, just a standard Logitech keyboard that I got like 6, 7 years ago. Yeah, so it's going to be doing a typing test, and from 10 fast fingers, don't know, it's just, I don't know, there's a lot of websites I just used to, I sometimes use this one, not a big deal, and I'll do the 200 words, top 200, basically 200 words and calculate. So let's just start right now. Okay, 99 words per minute with 96.5% accuracy, and yeah, from the top 200 words. Guess we could try again, and let's see how. Hopefully, I could be over 100 now. Let's 3, 2, 1, go. "97", not as good, of course. Guess I'll do the advanced version right now. It says top 1,000 words, so I guess there's the word bank's larger for this. So get started now. Oops. Restart. "87" with the harder words. Like, I don't think this is too realistic though. Yeah, so I guess that's it for this video. 10 fast fingers typing test. Like mid 90s word per minute. Not the best. I guess that's it. Thanks so much for listening next time.